Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Today we are here, third standard class. This is your workbook. What is this? This is your workbook. So, what is the workbook? Anybody know, students? The workbook is related to the lesson, related to the topic. What is the first lesson? In third standard, red sloppity lips. What is the first lesson? The red sloppity lips. Have you understand this lesson? Okay, see there. So open your workbook. Students, open your workbook. See first one. Number the statement in the order of their occurrence in the lesson. See, they are given up and down their sentence. You can to write down incorrect. Okay. So first one. See there, this paragraph full sentence and write down the statement, correct statement. Okay. Victor body become numb in the cold rain. Victor body is become numb in the cold rain. This is first one. So you can write the first one. Okay. In second one, Victor saw a dingy big red house and ran onto the porch. Dingy means a big house. Red house I told no already. So this is second one. And third one, a big gust in wind blew in the door and then back out away again, slamming the door shut. What is this third one? The big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming the door shut. This is third one. And fourth one, the cupboard door opened wide and the huge hairy monster stood before Victor. This is fourth one. And last one, this is Python. Victor tucked himself into a corner of the cupboard and hid as best as he could. This is fifth one. See there, this is number wise. The D1 first, E1 second, and B1 third, C1 fourth, and A1 fifth. Okay, do you understand this is? Okay, see down side. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. Choose the correct options. Victor Wang stopped his bike because he had lost his way. This is first one. He has lost his way. And second one. Victor was numb because he was scared. So he was scared. This is second one. And D1. So D1, Victor was scared because he had seen a monster. He had seen a monster. See, monster. How is he? So he has a full big long fingers and red lips. Yes, no. So he had seen a monster. So Victor was screamed. Yes. Okay. And next. Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the box. See this. Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the box. So first one, we should not dash while eating. Talk. So first one, talk. Write down there. The sailor was dash about the weather forecast. This is wrong. Second one is wrong. And third one, lamb. Right there. The shepherd took great care of his favorite lamb. And I injured my dash when I fell off the chair. So D1, thumb. My frock has floral design. The bomb was defused by the soldier. Bomb. F1, bomb. I heard a knock on the door. So this is G1. Okay, write down, students. Over na writing. Okay, in the next, use the clue of complete the crosswords. All answer are words with silent letters. See there. Already I told now what is the silent letters. Okay, so see this cross and down. So cross sentence. What is the sentence? You can write this. Something that is made by tying a rope. 3 1 C. Knot. Knot. Not. This is silent. K is silent. Yes, something that are made by trying to rope. Not. Okay, right there. N-O-K-N-O-T. Not. Okay. Next, an object use a cut fruits and vegetable. Fifth one. Knife. You can't cut. How to cut you in fruit and vegetable? You can take the knife now. So right, knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. And downside. See. This is cross. Okay. Next, downside. Up to downside. An object used to style your chair. First one. So, comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Write down. And part of an egg. And part of an egg. Yolk. Y-O-L-K-O. A joint in the leg. Third one. Downside. Knee. A joint in the leg. Your legs is, you can join your two legs. And what is this? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. The stop. See there. S-I-O-N-S. Write down there. Over, students. S-I-G-N. Sig. S-I-G-N. Over na? Okay. Next, turn the page. Already I told na homophones. What is the homophones? The word, the spoken is same, but spelling and meaning are different. The spelling and meanings are different, but spoken is same. Sail. See there. Sail. See what is the? Read the following words and write the homophones for them. Use the homophone in the sentence. Read the following words and write the homophone for them. Use the homophone in the sentence. There are two. Sail. This sail sentence. The skirt was on sale. The skirt was on sale. This sale. The skirt was on sale. This one right. This meaning is different. This sale meaning is different. This sale means you are going to in market. There's some sales are there. Yes, in the market. No. This is sale. Yes. This sale. This is meaning of different. Okay. And would. She said she would meet us at the corner. This would. She said she would meet us at the corner. And wood. This wood means in tree trunk. This one. In big tree trunk we call wood. No. So their house is near a small wood. Write down. This wood meaning sentence. Their house is near a small wood. Okay. Hail. I had hail damage to my car as well. In hail, this one. This homophone is hail. Jimmy is hale and healthy. This hale means healthy. Yes. Strong. This meaning is strong. Okay. Bear. He couldn't bear to watch. This homophone. Write down there. This homophone is bear. Therefore, with bare hands. Yes. Next, air. She enjoyed breathing the fresh air. Air means daily coming no in air, cold air. Yes. She enjoyed breathing the fresh air. Air. You can see air. You are seeing this air? No. This air. E-R-E. This air meaning is different. She enjoyed breathing the fresh air. See there. She enjoyed breathing the fresh air. Fail. She pointed the rooms. Fail. Yellow. This fail is different and this fail is different meaning. She pointed the rooms. Fail. Yellow. Yes. Okay. Next. Hair. The hair is a well animal. This hair. Ria let down her long hairs. Ria let down her long hairs. Understand, so students, this one? So write on your notebook. This is verb. Bear is verb. This is downside is adjective. First sail, wood, hail, beer, air, fail and hair. This first they are given no one word homophone. These are verb, and downside you can write again one homophone sentence. This one adverb, adjective. Okay, adjective. This is say beer, air, fail, her, hail. This is adjective. Okay, do you understand? Okay, you can't not understand, you can comment on the box. Okay, in downside look at the picture, following pictures and write homophones pair. See, two, two, two. B1 ear, ear. Okay, deer, deer, deer. Doll, doll. Pair, pair. Write down student. I wrote no there, so you can see and write down. Over. Okay, next turn the page. Today students, you are doing in your home now all work. Whatever I give in the last previous class, you can doing now. Okay. Circle the word in each row, the rhyming with the word on the left. Already you know rhyming words. What is the rhyming words? Okay. So chair, chair, cheer. This one. And scratch, scratch. Air, stare. Grow, flow. Seed, bleed. Dress, bless. Flick, brick. Okay, do you understand these rhyming words? Already you know this. Last year you are learning, no? Okay, what is the rhyming words? Hair, chair. This like yes, chair, cheer, run, fun, come, comb. Yes, this is rhyming words. Yes or no? Make, cake, bun, fun, rat, cat. This like. In end of the sound is same and letter also same. Okay. Next see there. Circle the common gender noun from the following words of underline the neuter gender noun. Already you know what is the common noun. Common noun is, what is the common noun students? Common gender noun. Tell me. The noun that both male or female is called common noun. For example, baby, child, dancer, singer, teacher, doctor, passenger. These are common gender. And what is the neuter gender? A noun that refer to a things that. For things that means non-living things is called neuter gender. Non-living things is, this is book is non-living thing, pen is non-living thing. Yes, yes or no? In table also non-living thing. Pencil, pen, door, chair, table. These are all non-living things. So see there. See this. Coach, box, children, table, baby and teacher. So circle the common noun, underline the neuter noun. Coach is, this is common noun. Box is non-living thing. This is, so you can do underline. And children also common noun. Table, baby, chair. Table is non-living thing. So this is neuter gender. Baby is common gender. So you can circle. And teacher also you can circle. Okay, see this and do it your notebook fast. See the professor, leader, chair, book, machine, ship. Chair, book, machine, ship. These four words are neuter gender. This leader and professor is common gender. Judge, airplane, train, beach, pen, crowd. So judge is common. This all is neuter gender. Okay, do you understand? So I will give homework in your worksheet. See, workbook. Identify and write the genders of the underlined noun. So identify and write the gender, underlined words. The underlined noun is there, na? So you can identify and write there. Okay. Magician took off the red. See, was in the corridor. There is golden was in the corridor. You can do in this home. This one, this bit and this. See there. This bit. What is the bit? You have to help your friend arrange her birthday party. The theme is mystery hunts. Describe how you will go about arranging this mystery hunt. Use the hints given below. Hints given below. So they are given sentences. You can what you are doing. This one do you can write on the arrange and write on the hints below. Okay, you can do this. Birthday party, whose birthday party? Her or his birthday party. You can do. How you are writing, you can do. You not coming na, I will tell you. Okay students, okay, do you understand? Okay, see there, this workbook is first lesson workbook and first lesson is over. So you can read in your home all the question answers, whatever is there in beats, that all read in your home. Okay, thank you.